Hi, everybody, and welcome to another segment of MedTalk brought to you by Medical Tourism. Right now, I have as a guest Dr. Iván Ordoña, gynecologist that has his practice all the way in Merida with over 12 years of experience. And we're talking about problems with regular ovulating and menstrual cycles. Hi, doctor, how are you?
Hi, Kur. How are you?
All good, thanks for asking. For our international patients, if they want to go to Merida to get this treated, they're having some issues or they're on vacation and want to take the time to check up a specialist, can they start the whole process online?
Yeah, because for example, when we have some problems about bleeding, about periods, much of the problems that they have, we can start to ask, try to suppose or to imagine what is the real problem with them, and that we can have it about. For example, if we have a first interaction by this way, then I can ask to them what are the specific issues or problems that maybe are creating that trouble. So, for example, I have people that are from other places and I ask them, how about your periods? Or do you have any illness? Have you ever tried any kind of treatment? Do you have any studies before? Have you ever tried any kind of treatment to achieve your correct periods or your correct ovulation? So I can imagine that. I can imagine your specific problem, and then I can tell you, okay, we can meet, for example, the next month, try to do this test, this blood sample, this ultrasound, this whatever that I think that you need. So when you come here with us, we can discuss all the results, and then we can have a better idea of what is your problem and how we can help you.
Usually, when there are issues like that, the whole process is just one consultation, or do I need to stay in Merida for a couple of days? Obviously, if I need some tests done or studies to do them, but after that, do I need to be in Merida for a certain period of time, or can I go back home and just get the results over the phone or by mail?
Yeah, it's not necessary to be here all the entire process because, for example, the problems with the ovulation disorders, most of them we can treat it with medication or something specific. There are a little bit things that we need to do here, for example, in Merida, but they are really few procedures that maybe we can need to do. But almost the entire treatment, we can give it by this kind of sessions, and I can give her some prescriptions so they can try all the medication at home. And if we need to check them once again, maybe it could be, but every, what do you want, 6 months, 8 months, or maybe per year, I don't know. But the most treatment, we can give it by this way.
Well, there you have it. If you're planning a medical trip and want to visit Merida, or you're in vacation and want to check your health as a woman, then Dr. Duño I'm going to leave a link where you can find his information so you can get in touch with him. Thank you very much, doctor, and thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to check the full interview in Spanish. We're going to leave some subtitles for you guys, and thank you, doctor.
It's my pleasure, Kurt. Bye.
Bye.